guys, welcome back to Just a Mum Winging It. I'm Heyyyy and I am a mum of three. I've not been here for ages and ages, and I thought it was about time. Now we're starting to come out of the pandemic, and our lockdown restrictions in the UK are easing. It was time to finally get back to the YouTube channel. We have been so busy with our new business and the pandemic, and our life has, to be honest, changed massively over the last 12 months. So so now things are starting to calm down a bit and we're getting back to a little bit of normality. It's time to come back to YouTube. So I've missed you all like crazy. I hope you're all doing well. I've noticed that I've had a few new subscribers, so welcome to my channel. And we're just going to crack on, guys, and get in with the cleaning today. And I thought, what better way to come back with a quick clean with me, like a power hour. So enjoy the video. I hope you're all well. I hope life's treating you well. And that's it for now, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment below and let me know how you are all doing. And we will see you soon. I'm going to try and do 2 videos a week. I'm going to do a cleaning video, and I'm going to bring you into what my little business looks like a work day with me, and let you see what we get up to behind the scenes in the business. So yeah, enjoy your day, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy, guys. Bye.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow